Hi, here we are going to discuss string of pearls theory in short. It is actually a competition between India and China in the Indian Ocean region. Let's see what it is. See, in the string of pearls theory, the particular theory propounded by United States in its Energy Future in Asia report 2005, the Defense Department proposed that China is making many establishments that may be commercial in nature or military in nature for encircling India through maritime also, land region also. Okay, so they have many establishment. For example, let's see what are the establishment they are constructed. See, in the Indian Ocean region, Hambantota port in Sri Lanka, that is constructed by Chinese, and for 99 years it is leased for the Chinese. Gwadar port in Pakistan, it is under Chinese and a naval base is being constructed there. And Chittagong port in Bangladesh, it is developed for handling higher cargo movement is by China. And the Marao Atoll, that particular island in Maldives, and the Port of Sudan where Red Sea, a major portion of oil transfer is happening, and a port in Tanzania. Other than in the South China Sea, when they felt a power vacuum after the withdrawal of United States from Vietnam, they start asserting a lot. Some island groups, you must have heard Parcel Island, some island group Chinese started asserting as their own. And the Hainan Island, Woody Island, there you could see Chinese military establishment they are constructing, that is for observing the movement of ships or transportation in the South China Sea and to ensure their supremacy over South China Sea. Other than that, they are constructing a canal that is known as Kra Isthmus Canal through Thailand for bypassing the Malacca Strait. Okay, these are in the maritime region. Let's see in the land region what they are doing. They are constructing a CPEC or China-Pakistan Economic Corridor that connecting Gwadar to Karakoram Ridge to China. Okay, so by that they can bypass the Indian Ocean majority portions. Then BRI, Belt and Road Initiative, or you must have heard One Belt, One Road Initiative. It is actually a $1 trillion infrastructural project proposed by China, and China trying to bring all the nations under this, so that the whole around the world, the important destination, maybe port or capitals, will be connected by railway and road. So more infrastructure development, more access to those regions easily by the Chinese. Of course, it has a commercial angle, but anytime it can become defense angle whenever it is the situation. Let's see what are the India's response to this particular string of pearls theory. India constructing a Chabahar port in Iran, that is just adjacent to the Gwadar port of Pakistan. Then in the Seychelles, Maldives, Morocco and all, India have its own radar system established. And in the Bangladesh, Chittagong port, Bangladesh government gave access to India also. In the Myanmar, a port and the rivers are being developed and expanded by the India for transport movement. And in Bangladesh, other than this Chittagong port, we could see Pyra port, it's given to India for development. Of course, other than that, for Japanese, they gave Matarbari port. For Japan, they gave by the Bangladesh. Okay, so in the Myanmar also, India is developing. India moving a new kinds of economic policies known as Look East and Act East policy. Other than the strategic policies, neighborhood first preference we will be given to the neighborhood other than any international organizations or any other countries. Other than that, in Tajikistan we have our Farkor air base. In Tajikistan we have our air cage or Farkor air base. In Bhutan we have Indian military training team. Other than that, in Madagascar, we have our own radar surveillance system. Okay, in Seychelles we have an island, that is Assumption Island. Okay, India is going to join in the Quad quadrilateral alignment. It is between Japan, Australia, India and the United States. So in these ways India is trying to counter the string of pearls theories by the Chinese. Why China is proposing for a string of pearls theory? Why it is like that? There is a reason behind that. For example, in 1971 there was a war between India and Pakistan. So China tried to help Pakistan militarily by sending some ships to Bangladesh, eastern side also, western side also. But India threatened. Why? Because India is sitting here, Andaman and Nicobar. This Andaman and Nicobar is under the control of India. India threatened that if you are some way supporting Pakistan in this particular war, we will choke your Malacca Strait. If Malacca Strait, Malacca Strait is very much important, one of the choke points, second most important choke point, first most important choke point is this Hormuz, second is Malacca. So in the case of Malacca, more than 80% of China's oil transportation is happening through Malacca. So that's why India won a good victory in the 1971 India-Pakistan war by some way restricting US and China help to Pakistan. So these choke points are very important. That's why China is trying to bypass this choke point by constructing a pass through here or canal through here, by constructing a pass through here, a canal through here, or by using this particular strait. Okay, so other than that China is doing, see, you could see through Pakistan Gwadar port to here. This also another Chinese movement for ensuring that India is encircled and China is getting bypassed.